Hey guys, RTT back here for that video. Guys, this is actually a launcher, okay? So we have looked at a lot of minimalistic type launchers for the Surface Duo, right? And all of them have been quite interesting to say the least. You know, whether they have little to no apps, you know, maybe they'll have like 6 or 7 apps and then they'll have like a date and time, and that is actually it. Well, this launcher, literally all it has is the very bottom, as you guys can see, a little search bar and a green little dot. Now that green dot is all the applications that you recently opened, and outside of that there is nothing else on this screen. So if we go ahead and look at the search bar down below, you guys can see I can click on this and it will go ahead and bring up a text box, and I can search any application I want. So if I want to go ahead and search like Facebook, for example, you guys can see all my applications show up once I go ahead and search them. But if I don't search them, they don't show up. So there's nothing you can really add to your home screen. If you go ahead and look at it, it says update wallpaper, add widget, device settings, and launcher settings. So we're going to add widget, which is actually in beta. You can actually add a widget. So we go ahead and look at analog clock. Let's go ahead and add that, and that is literally what it looks like. It is just, can I even move it? Oh wait, now it's gone. It is in beta. Oh, is it only? Okay, I don't know where it went. Let's remove the widget and add it again. It is in beta, so it might be a little bugged out, but let's see. Let's add analog clock again. Okay, and it just glitches and goes away. Again, like I said, it is in beta right now, so that might be why. Let's go do it when we're not opened up. Yeah, this kind of just goes away right away. Interesting. Okay. Oh wait, no, it's back. I telling you guys, this is a really weird launcher, and the reason why I even looked at it is because this is why I want to look at it, because how weird it is and how unique it is. Usually I don't look at too many launchers. When I look at them, I'm like, okay, that's kind of weird. I don't know if I want to make a video on it. This actually sparked my interest. So now when I click, okay, so this is weird. Now when I click on this, it actually shows all my applications. This is interesting, guys. Some of these launchers, when I'm making a video, I kind of have a general gist of what they are when I go into it. This launcher is actually surprising me. So now it looks like instead of me showing my most recent application, it actually has all my applications on the list right here. So we're going to click on that. Also on the very bottom now, it looks like my phone and contact applications have also been actually put right there. So that's actually interesting. Oh wait, hang on. Looks like when I tap the screen, it's so weird. When I tap the screen, different things happen. All right, so let's go ahead and click on launcher settings, history, favorite settings, user interface. Okay, so we can do different themes. Transparent, search bar. Let's turn that on. Bigger search bar. We round corners, and let's turn this all on. Let's see what it looks like now. It looks exactly the same, I'll be honest with you guys. Oh, this is bigger. Okay, so this is bigger when you get into that. And then my search bar is exactly the same. So I don't know how it said bigger search bar. But it is so... like, it's funny because I made like 2 videos talking about the most minimalistic type launcher, and at the end of the day, those did have apps on the home screen. They had different things going on. They look cool, but they definitely still had apps. Now this in phone mode, just taking a look at it, this is what it looks in phone mode, and this is what you would call the most minimalistic launcher, because there's absolutely nothing on this launcher until you click on that little button right there and you bring up your phone, your contacts, and obviously all your applications. Or if you search them, you want to search them right here, we can search like messages, for example. If I could actually type messages, I can. Wow. Okay, it's a little bit of me not being able to type, and half of it just being that the whole entire thing just glitched out. And I think my keyboard's gone. Okay. All right. Anyway, though, literally, it's just the most minimalistic thing you could ever look at, because there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. I mean, yes, there are stuff you can add, but for the most part, all you can add, it looks like, is one widget, right? Let's add, yeah, you can only add one widget. So let's add another widget. Let's see what else we can add. So beta, still in beta, obviously. Ooh. I think, oh, news. Oh my God. Well, this is an interesting widget because I didn't think it was going to be the whole screen. I mean, theoretically speaking, you could have a... This could be a thing. Let me see what it looks like in full screen. Wow, in full screen, it's literally just one gigantic screen. That's actually interesting. So let's remove that real fast. So the news is literally just the whole entire screen become the news. Oof. Most of them I can actually do that, you know, would be cool. Let's look at Spotify. Wow, Spotify's a whole entire thing too. So it looks like I said, it does say in beta, so I'm going to keep that in mind. I'm not going to judge it too hardcore. Honestly, my favorite widget for this would, again, be the analog clock. It's just so simple and easy to look at. And even in, you know, phone mode, it still looks very good. And honestly, even in, so this looks like it's actually adjustable for horizontal, vertical, and phone mode. That's actually kind of cool. What does it look like in phone horizontal mode? Okay, so it's actually, yeah, it just looks like a normal thing. Very minimalistic. Very, very minimalistic. There's not much you can add to this, but I know there's some people out there that they like that. They like the idea of having a very just simplified device. A simplified, you know, launcher where it's not as crazy detailed as one might want, you know? It's, or not as some people like. It's, some people just like a minimalistic look. And to be honest, I really thought with our last minimalistic device, a launcher, I was going to be like, that's the most minimalistic it gets. That's it. Boys, that's it. This is it. If I find another one, I don't know. I'm going to look, but I don't think I can find another one more minimalistic because there's literally on this screen, other than one widget you can add, you can't do anything else. You have the launcher, you have your apps right here. That is actually it. You can search any application you want, or you can go ahead and bring them up right there. Guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.